Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an
Ki biju pet ki khubor lim bau Anto News. Ki hang nengi don menta hapo sajer hapo nongpo community hall but PUE ya ga jingbon jiki kena samla gani ga sngi but gani ka sngi ka basnu tanan balayo ban pinko buram yaki kena ki batrei shitom ki ba minot ha ki jinpuli ki jongki but ki bala pass bha ha ka SSLC examination ha usnem 8,000 but hang nengi yo I ba ya ka jingnang ka jing start omla ban khit da ka nu ka dor but onumla ban ye pli la ne ban ye nujor but ka nu ka benta ka jing start ka di ka jing train shitom ban yo I ki ki khana ki badan hang ni ba ki la train shitom but ka jing ye kun ka jongki kumba u MLA jo ka nong po constituency ba Meralbon sim I bala ai ka jing pren ha ka ni ka sni but I bala kentu ye ki kun samla ba ki dei ban minot thap ha ka jing puli na mangi im ha ka perthei jung ka competition na ne ka perthei ka badap da ki challenges ki babun but kum ju ru ka di ka perthei ka badap da ka jing le ila pen kan mau ru ba men shwa ki khana la da ki yo tang san pho person ru ila la ban yo ya ka kota government ban puli MBBS henry ha ki ne ka juk ka jongi ka menta ka juk jong ka technology ka juk jong ka jingnang jing start ka juk jong ka jingkala ila pen kan mau ye ki khana ki ba trai shitam ha ka jingpuli ka jongki ba ki dei ban ye khun par khammi not shu ha ka jingpuli ka jongki na marbangi em ha ka prathei jong ka jingye khun ba ka jingele hoi ila pen kan mau ki jing e ki babun ki khna kin mat le si ka jingduk ka jingkudu hayeng hasem le si ka jing e ha ka jing en ka bashimet ka jongki henry ila pen kan mau but I min sim ba kim dei ban shaktiang yi ki jing e but ba ka jing e hi kam dei ban khanglat ya ka jing start ka ba ki don henry ki ban 3 shitom but ban 3 minute kumjuru ila pen kan mau ba ka kas ka creed la ne ka religion kanum la ban penya pher la ne penya khat ya ka jing start ka ba ublei ula ai ha ubriu la ne ha ka briu nama kata ila kenturu ba kum ki khna puli ki de ban don ru ya ka akor ka buram bar kumju ban iet ki nong hi kai ban iet ki kimi ki pa namar ba karwi ka jongi ka don kam ye ki khna ki ba start ba ki ba shampang khanang ban wan ra ka jing kala ha ka ri ba ka jak ban riu ka jongi but ba ya ka ne ka jing ku buram la le daga nongpo Hindu Welfare Society kabadon hang ni hapo nongpo banno sinyang na kabda kini ki khna ki bla minon bat ki bla pass ba ha ka examine ka jing kashi
ready given ready 1 2 1 2
followed by Gadiela and Sungo. She secured 92.33%. Followed by Naila Nazarene Nongru. She secured 90.83%. First division.
Originally, I did not plan for this, but anyway, since it's an acknowledgement, I can say a few words. Firstly, I am very grateful for this recognition. As a student, I feel encouraged and overwhelmed with a sense of dignity and happiness. Since it's not the first time that I've spoken, I don't really feel nervous, but I am not full of I don't have thoughts that can really entertain you all. But I am really thankful for this recognition because it gives us the opportunity to move ahead. As a student, I personally feel that though I am a student, I know that we all are going to face the same route. We are not going to go in the same path, but I know that all these challenges, all these difficulties, these rocks and the stones that will come at us, they will be intense. But through all these ups and downs, I guarantee you that you will come out, that we will all come out as successors, those that will brighten up the future. And this will not only be for ourselves, but will also be for our society, our parents, and all those who have stood beside us. Thank you. Thank you.
That we prepare, we position ourselves to be a better person, a better human being in days to come. In the world of change, science student, you know about evolution. In the year 1970, 1980, when we talk about performance of the student, in Meghalaya, a student who secure 50%, they will get seat for MBBS during those years, where there is less competition. Nowadays, if we secure 90, 95 or so, sometime we don't get a seat for MBBS quota. In those years, I remember, whenever we had an opportunity to play around, maybe on Sunday, Saturday, it is a fun for the village boys and girls to click photo. And we used to click photo, and there is one person who used to click. But those days, it is not through digital camera or mobile. It is through that old camera Kodak with a reel, which is there, 32 or 34 photo we can click in one reel. Suppose we click today, we will get after 1 month to get it developed. It takes so long, but we have to wait. Kya karega? No way out. There is no technology to get it developed in a day or two or in a minute, but we have to wait. Patiently we wait. After 1 month or 2 months, when that person, he come and deliver to us the photo inside an envelope, we are so happy to see our photo. Sometimes with different hairstyle, because last 2 months my hairstyle is different. Now it is different. Today, to be frank, I didn't recognize Amarji. Yeah. I thought, who is this person? I'm shaking hand here because you totally changed. I didn't meet you for a couple of years. So those days we are waiting like that to get one photo to develop. Nowadays it is not like that. Everything through technology. Within 1 minute you can develop a photo. So we are in the process of change very fast. The change that takes